So CURB stands for Center for Architecture and Urbanism. So CURB is an NGO, which in Macao it's a non-for-profit association, and the mission of CURB is to promote architecture and urban culture in Macao. So the idea is to collaborate with the academia, with the civil society, with the government institutions to research about the city and to give back to the city. So when we're talking about the city, we're talking about different ways of going around the city. And many years back, in 2008, I did a Pecha Kucha during the This Is My City, talking about biking in Macao. Is it possible? So what we try to do is to organize an event that was totally designed by us, and it's called On the Move. So it's a creative bike ride. We do them every year with different topics, and we have 10 bicycles. We invite people to participate on these bike rides, and we also invite an artist. So while we are riding through the city with a predetermined route and telling the story of that route and highlighting points along the way, there are artists that are coming with us and that are taking images, sound from that bike ride, and then they do an installation. They do a video installation 2 weeks after on the rooftop. So the Magic Carpet is a complex event, so it's one afternoon, and we have a screening of these videos. We also have an exhibition with the contents from our research about each one of those crafts. And then we also try to teach people on how to work on those crafts. I think that the city is growing. We have traditions, we have local people that are producing objects in the city, but we don't really value them, we don't really look at them. So Magic Carpet is trying to bring awareness to these people, to these crafts, so that for the future there's still a space for them. So we are trying that new designers, new architects pay attention to this and also can work and collaborate with these local craftsmen to basically evolve the crafts and also to continue to produce in Macao things that are related to our local urban culture.